Hi y'all, welcome back to Cooking Bee Style. I want to make something different. Let's make some Boudin Stuffed Egg Rolls topped with a creamy, spicy crawfish seasoning. You're gonna love it. Keep watching till the end. I will put all the ingredients in the description, like always. Please like and subscribe, and let's see what we come up with.
Tastes like crap.
Ugh.
No, I just said you did a really good job on it. It tastes awesome.
Let's start with our smoked pork boudin. This is 1 pound. Our boudin's a little spicy. Now we're gonna take the boudin out of the hog casings and set it aside for just a minute. I kind of tore up the packaging trying to get it open, but it's egg roll skins. This is Monterey Jack cheese slices. And let's grab a skin. We're just watering the edges of this egg roll wrap so that hopefully it sticks together successfully. Let me get the boudin out of the fridge. Okay. I really wanted to try smoked boudin instead of just plain boudin. Let me see if I can do this without overstuffing, because I'm really, really good at that. Don't want to understuff either. Yeah. Smoosh the sides in. And we're gonna roll it. If you have any parts that aren't sticking, just put a little bit more water. Push it down. Okay, it's going on a plate over here. We're gonna fry these last. Egg rolls get they can get soggy. I don't want to feed my husband soggy egg rolls. So these are our egg rolls. I got 7 of them. I have some leftover tortillas in the fridge. Daddy's home. So I had some leftover tortillas. I popped them in the microwave for like 10 seconds so they're pliable. Little burrito. As hard as I tried to get these tight, they're not sticking. It's tortillas. So I got some toothpicks. If I try to fry them like this, they're just gonna bust open all over the place. These are going in the refrigerator. We'll make our sauce. Here's our Cajun trinity. I got green onions, celery, bell pepper, onion, and we like to add jalapeno. Chop these up really fine. Because this is a crawfish cheesy topping sauce, I want these vegetables as fine as I can possibly get them. We're not making an étouffée. I ended up using half of a white onion, 2 sticks of celery, half of a jalapeno, and half of a green bell pepper. I'm gonna start on medium. We're gonna put some butter in there. We're gonna add some, I need to use this up. It was in the fridge or else I would have missed fresh garlic. 2 tablespoons garlic. I don't want to cook this for more than a minute. Let's go ahead and add our Cajun trinity. Get everything sauteing. We're gonna turn it down to about a 4, which is a little bit less than a medium. Let these saute. And while they're thinking about doing that, let's add some salt, sea salt, and some crushed black pepper corns, I guess. Black pepper corns. Let's add some crushed black. Let's add some crushed.
Easy for you to say.
Let's add some crushed black peppercorns to your liking. I've got some Creole seasoning. This just happens to be Slap Your Mama. It's Bobby's favorite. That's what we're using. More's gonna be added later, I promise. Make sure you're stirring occasionally so nothing burns. Louisiana crawfish tell me this is 12 ounces. That's how they sell it around here in Texas anyway. And we're just gonna put that in there straight from the bag. Fully cooked, peeled, and deveined. Fat on. Okay, let's get it all in there. That looks pretty good, and we're not even close to done. Yes. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Should thicken the sauce up. It's not a sauce yet. It will be here in just a minute. Gotta get that little roux base going on. It's good. Needs more. Almost got that after bite. Some more Creole seasoning. A little bit more black pepper. Alright, we're gonna add another 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, some Worcestershire sauce, let that cook for just a little bit. We're getting there, but I need to get this show on the road, so we're gonna turn this from a 4 to a 6.5. Get it going. And I've got Gouda cheese from the HEB deli. I was trying to ask for it shredded, but I think she was busy and didn't hear me. So we have sliced. In here I have about 1.5 pounds or 1.25 pounds. I don't need that much. I don't know. We'll see. Just gonna put it in there. Let it start melting. That's why I turned the temp up. Let this cheese start melting. Uh-oh, puppy's being bad. So let that melt, and then we're gonna taste it and decide if it needs more seasoning, more cheese, or more whatever it might need. I turned this back down to a 3. I don't want to overcook the cheese because it'll get clumpy. Here in a minute, Bobby's gonna come taste it. I have this nifty thingamabob here. There's a pan with the rack. We're gonna fry in that. I get regular vegetable oil. I'm just gonna pour some in there. This oil, I'm hoping, can be reused if I don't destroy anything. That's 48 ounces, and I used 1.5 of them. It's a lot of oil. It's a big pan. All right, let's keep stirring this, and let's taste it. Looking good. I'm gonna give it a try. It's really good. Really good.
Tastes like crap.
Oh.
No, I just said you did a really good job on it. It tastes awesome.
Now I'm gonna take it off the heat. We're gonna move it over here, and let's start frying. Let's make our egg rolls.
I want some tortilla chips so I can scoop it all up.
I just turned this on. Actually, I have not yet. Let's put it on a 7. We want it nice and hot. I removed the basket because I don't have enough oil for them to be submerged. All right, we're at 163. Close enough for me. Let's get started. Let's get these cooking. Okay, I was wrong. 160 wasn't high enough. Well, let's see what happens with this one. I'm gonna let the temperature keep rising before I add more. I underestimated how big this pot is and the amount of oil that I have. I'm gonna turn this all the way up to a 9, which is almost high. Let's see what it does. Might should have probably read the directions on the packaging for the egg roll wrappers before I ripped it open and they couldn't read it. We're looking for a golden brown. We are not there. I'm trying to keep this thing moving. I'm gonna try something different next round. Let's take it out.
Looks good.
I'm gonna put it over here on this wire rack. Let it cool.
Actually, looks good now.
Now, let's see what happens if I use this basket.
Okay.
Our last batch of egg rolls are getting in. Let them cook. We're not done yet, but yummy. Let's do our experiment. These are flour tortillas stuffed with Boudin on the same cheese. And there's toothpicks in there because they wouldn't stick together. Let's put those in there and let's fry them. We're gonna keep moving them because they're not gonna move on their own with the toothpicks in there. Do we like the egg rolls or do we like the tortillas? All right, I'm pulling these out. Let's put them over here. I'm gonna remove the toothpicks. There it is. Let's let Bobby try it and decide if he prefers the egg roll wrapper versus the tortilla. It smells really good. I already know the cheese sauce is good. That's spicy crawfish cheese sauce. Let's give it a taste if I can fit it in my mouth. Oh yeah. That's good. Excellent. Our neighbor Lisa's coming over to try.
Oh my God. Well, I still think you should open a Cajun restaurant.
No, we're thinking about it. We just need to find the right location. I mean, the one down the road's not terrible, but it's not like our ideal.
Yeah.
Neighbor Lisa approves. Bobby approves.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, everybody. Have a great night. We'll see you soon. We're gonna fry some frog legs. Here you go, Bobby. You asked for it. You got it. There's some chips.